OS Maps Primary Economic Activity. Every single CE exam has an OS Maps section. Primary is taking from the land or the sea. We're going to look at some examples of primary economic activity in the area of Nairn in northern Scotland. We're going to use the 1 to 50,000 scale. On the map, you can see large areas of white and large areas shaded green. Are there clues to primary economic activity that we can find on the OS map? The land above about 200 meters above sea level is moorland. It looks like this. It may look empty, desolate, a wilderness, but it is used. Can you guess how? It's used for shooting. Look, here comes one. Two, look. The people who work on the moor are called gamekeepers. Second example, forestry. This area, shaded green, is marked as coniferous forest. Coniferous means trees with cones. These trees grow up to around 200 meters above sea level, but they also grow at less than 10 meters above sea level. These trees are called Scots pines. Some of the woodland is mixed, a mixture of coniferous and broadleaf. Here is a stack of cut timber. It's ready to be taken by lorry to the sawmill. Here are two machines. One is cutting down the trees. We call it felling. The operator can fell a tree and cut logs in less than a minute. You can adjust it for it.
One of the other might.
This is a highly dangerous piece of kit.
Normally a chainsaw's only about, really? See, so that's a big chainsaw down the bottom. These ones and these ones, and you give it the hug that you were seeing, and then what happens?
That was... They just holding the whole thing.
If he was standing.
This machine picks up the timber and moves it to the stack. Here is the stack from 2 hectares of trees.
In the middle of the tree, this dark circle, and then all the water comes up the tree and the food goes down the tree through the rest of it.
Third example, farming. Here is a field in May. Here's the same field in August. The clue for farming on the OS map is usually where a farm is marked FM with the letters FM, like Park Farm. This farm is called Connage. They have some dairy cows. This crop is called oilseed rape. On the OS map, there is no symbol for farming. Areas that are white are open countryside. Farms are usually single buildings surrounded by white. Here is a combine harvester. It's harvesting barley. The tractor pulls alongside with the trailer to collect the grain.
Here it comes.
Here is the same field a few weeks later. The straw has been collected and baled. The farmer is now replanting with new seeds. Fourth example, fishing. Findhorn Bay is large. It takes up about 4 square kilometers. It's a sheltered place to anchor fishing boats. There are 2 piers marked on the map. Fishing used to be a big industry along this coast. This man is a lobster fisherman.
Wow, that is a fantastic. Well, right, guys.
There are lots of mackerel.
Let's just go see if we can get some more out.
This is what we caught, ladies and gentlemen.
Last example, quarrying. Next to the A96, it's marked gravel pit. A quarry is where you dig stone out of the ground. Here they dig up gravel. It's used for buildings and for roads. So in this area of Scotland, we found quarrying, fishing, farming, forestry, and shooting. These are all primary economic activities. Take a look at the area where you live and see what you find.